Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can use a ChatGPT plugin with Microsoft Office application. So first I am going to open the Word. So here I am using Microsoft Word Office 365 version. So you can use any version. So from here you have to click on add-ins. So I will open the add-in from developer mode. So if the developer mode is not available on Microsoft Word in your PC or laptop, so you can make it available from view, and you have to click on right side and then click on customize ribbon. So when you will click on customize ribbon, then you can you will see the available option here. So see, maybe it not clicked on developer mode, so you have to click on that and then press OK. So then the developer mode will be available here. So now I can see the com.add-in option here. So sorry, here add-in option. So from here you can see there is ChatGPT for Word. So I used it before, so if it's not here, you don't need to worry about that. So just click on refresh, and also you can go to the store. So from store you will see the available ads in option here. So you can search here ChatGPT. So now the first option is the ChatGPT for Excel or Word. So just click on add and then press on continue. Then you will see the ChatGPT is added here. Then you have to click allow and continue. So it's loading and interacting with my Microsoft Word software now. So you can see it's already added here. So you can say hello. So it says hello, how can I assist you today? So let's say I copy some text here. So like if you have some text here, and you can ask a question also here to ChatGPT, and let's say if you select some text from here, let's say I selected all the text, so it will automatically detect here, see, using full document as context. So if you select all the text, then it will say the full document, or if you select a part of the text, then it will say the selection as context. So you can say right here, you can ask ChatGPT now translate it in German. So then click on send. So you can see the selected text is already translated in German. So if you want, you can append that the text below the selected text. So if you click on append, so you can see the selected text, the translated text is already added here. So if you want to replace all with the translated version, you can also select on that. So you can see the text is already translated. Also you can translate to, you say Chinese, so it will translate this text into Chinese, and you can append it and also replace it. So there are many ways. And also you can say let's say if you copy the text and paste it here, and just ask to summarize the text, maybe select all the text first and say summarize it. So now you can see the summarized version is here, and you can just replace it. So this is how you can use the add-on ChatGPT for Word or Excel. So I hope you enjoyed my video. So I will make more videos on this kind of tips and technique in Microsoft Word and Excel, and also for PowerPoint as well. So see you in the next video.